Penggunaan peranti elektronik adalah tidak dibenarkan ketika pesawat mula bergerak untuk berlepas. Telefon bimbit, tablet dan bahan bacaan elektronik hanya boleh diaktifkan dalam mod penerbangan selepas pesawat berlepas. Semua peranti elektronik pemancar haruslah dipadamkan sepanjang penerbangan. Komputer riba mestilah disimpan ketika pesawat bergerak dan berlepas. Ianya hanya boleh dihidupkan setelah tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kedar dipadamkan. Merokok termasuk penggunaan e-rokok adalah dilarang sama sekali. Para penumpang yang membawa e-rokok diminta untuk memadamkannya dan mengasingkan bateri daripada peranti e-rokok. Pengecasan dan penggunaan e-rokok adalah dilarang sama sekali. Terima kasih.
Hi everyone, this is Tony. In 2002, we wanted to make flying affordable and came out with this tagline, "Now everyone can fly." I hope we're making some of your dreams come true or making your life easier flying with AirAsia. Whatever it is, you're surrounded by amazing people who we call All-Stars. They'll look after you really well. Thanks for flying AirAsia and have a great day.
Good morning, Japan. Welcome to Asia, doing all advanced local sign. This is Asia Flight 86084 to Ipoh. Naval Captain Zuri Anwar, assisted by First Officer Eugene, and also in the cabin crew Didi. This flight will take off 1 hour. Hoist your seat upright and seatbelts fully fastened. Stow your tray table, open your window shades. Please ensure that all petrol devices now set to flight mode. For safety reasons, smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. E-cigarette activity shop and battery remove. Use of e-cigarette are strictly prohibited. Power bank must not be stored in compartment and must keep in the seat pocket. Please maintain your personal belongings all the time. We are proud to celebrate the 16th consecutive year as the world's best local bus car track, a golden milestone made possible by your support. Thank you for being part of our journey. Thank you. Perlu tanggalkan sebala pendengaran muzik semasa pengumuman selamatan penumpang dibuat. Terima kasih. Dear guests, please remove handset, earphone or earbuds prior to passenger safety briefing. Cabin station.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this, clip on the waistband, and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention. This is an important announcement. In case of loss of cabin pressure, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask.
重要通知：如果机舱失压，请在使用机舱氧气面罩前摘下口罩。
Crew be seated for takeoff.